summer, which means no pants, no makeup, and so much sun. I saw a cool shirt and I painted it because I was bored and feeling semi-artsy. Then I forgot that I actually bought the shirt. So now I have the shirt and a painting of the shirt. That doesn't like mean anything, it's just like a thing now that is true. Today we are doing a try on haul, except to keep it semi on brand. Do I have a brand? I don't know. We are going to be scientifically determining the best bikini. So we're going to take into account six different factors in bikinis that are most important to me. Yes, this is a very biased scientific study. That's okay. Here, shh. All 6 factors get a certain weight based on their relative importance to me, and then I will go through each bikini and rate them on a scale of 1 to 5 for each category, and then we'll get a total score, and whatever one with the highest score semi-objectively wins. So that'll be interesting to see if it actually lines up with my true opinion. The maximum importance that a factor can carry is 5, and fit is a 5 out of 5. It's super important. If it doesn't fit well, if I don't like how it looks on me, I'm not gonna wear it. The next one is material, weighted 3.13 out of 5. I made the numbers a little funky so that it would be harder for you guys to do mental math. Does it look good? Does it feel good? Is it like too stretchy? Like, how do I think it would hold up? Yeah. The next category is water. I was gonna like jump into the water in all of these, and it's very cold still, so I don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna guess. Maybe I'll like pour a little bit of water on each of them. I don't know. The next factor is quirkiness, because I like things to wear that are just a little bit quirky, a little bit different, or have something that's unique about them. The next factor is reliability. Do I trust it, basically? And the last category is sustainability, because that's always something important to consider when you buy and wear clothes. I got all of these bikinis from CUPSHE. Oh, they're automatically going to get a score of 2 out of 5 in the sustainability category. Not lower, not higher, just because I don't know all of the details of their manufacturing processes, but like I said, they are fast fashion, so not gonna rank very highly in that category. Disclaimer right off the bat, I have not had access to a gym in over 2 months, so yeah. The first one is a simple blue bikini. I chose it because it looked basic and a little fun. It's got these dots on it. They're a little ombre with it too. I like the back. The back's really cute. I usually order, when I order bikinis, a small top and a medium bottom. All of these bikinis are a small. This one actually fit really well. I didn't super love how it looked on me, so I'm going to give it a 3.5 for fit. For material, the material is very standard. Nothing came apart, nothing like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 4 out of 5 for material. It's wet and it seems to still function as a bathing suit. It doesn't really change color, so sure, for water we'll give you a 5. This is all super objective. For quirkiness, it's a little quirky with the back and a little quirky with the dots, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that a 4. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 5 for reliability. I heard some really good reviews about this one. A more thick, like cloth-like material. It has this pearl pattern on the outside, same with the bottoms. I thought the one strap was kind of a quirky look, but I wanted to try it out because I've heard good things about it in online reviews. Shout out to my neighbor's chickens. Yep. The clasping mechanism is kind of interesting. It's like that, like, I don't know. I trust it, but I don't know if I like super trust it. I did really like how it looked on me, so I'm gonna give it a solid 4.75 out of 5 for fit. For material, it felt a lot stronger, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that a 4.5. For water, yeah, scientific water test. I just got British, I don't know. Ew, I just got it all over my phone. Looks good, feels put together, not changing colors. Awesome. Go ahead and give it a 5. Definitely a quirky vibe with the one shoulder and the pearls, so I'm gonna give that a 4.5 for quirkiness. For reliability, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 4 just because I'm a bit bit scared of that back clasp, but it felt very secure on my body. Okay, so up next, I wanted to try out a one piece. I have not owned or worn a one piece in over a decade probably, so I wanted to revisit it and try one out. So I liked how this one looked online. It's a nice floral pattern with a little bit of cinching at the waist with this black stripe across the body. I liked it on me. I think I just have a pretty strong preference for bikinis, and I don't know if I was a big fan of the cut. I think it was a little lower than I wanted. For fit, I'm going to give it a 3.5. It still looked nice, like I will wear it. The material feels good. It felt a little bit loose around the stomach, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that a 4 for material. I always pour too much. Not changing colors, seems fine. I think I'm gonna give it like a 4. I'm sure it would be fine. I'd call it a pretty like conservative looking bathing suit. The quirkiest thing about it, I guess, would be the floral print, but that's a pretty normal print for things. So for quirkiness, I'm gonna give it like a 3.5. And with reliability, it's a one piece, so obviously less to worry about. But like I was saying, I don't know if I super love the depth of the neckline thing here. Oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and just give a 4 for that. Alright, moving on. Okay, so this next one I was super excited about because one, I love the colors. I love earth tones. They go with my eyes. These come with high-waisted bottoms. I've never tried a high-waisted bikini before like this, and so I was very interested in seeing how that would look on me. I also really like the top. I like the cinched look in the front and the crossed look in the back. I was majorly disappointed though that the second time I tried it on, it ripped. I don't know if you can tell, but I fixed it with a stapler because I'm really lazy and I just trust staplers a lot. So yeah, I actually really ended up loving how this bikini looked on me. I love that I can eat a big old dinner and a whole tub of ice cream and still feel like I'm killing it. Shout out to high-waisted bikinis. Big fan now, I think. So for fit, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 5 because I really liked how I felt in it, and that's the most important thing. For material, I have to give it like, I don't know, I have to give it like a 2 here. It fell apart. Got a little bit of a rip. For water, oh, I should have just been doing this the whole time. I'm dumb. Yeah, looks fine, looks good. Give it a 5. For quirkiness, the high-waistedness makes this a little quirky, and this, I don't know, this top also has some character to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it like a 4.5. For reliability, I'm not gonna dock it here since I docked it already for the rip in material, but I feel very secure in this bathing suit. I don't think anything will shift or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 4.5 for reliability. And that means we are on the last one. I'm actually wearing it right now and I'm not gonna take it off because I don't want to. It is this really cute red and white striped bikini. I really liked how this one fit. I like the design. I got it because I've always needed a red, white, blue vibe for the 4th of July. I like the back on this one and how it crosses over and it's a little lengthy. I also like the buttons. I think they're really cute, and overall I found this bathing suit very flattering and I like it a lot. I'm not quite sure if the cheeky bottoms are on purpose, so just to be safe, I'm gonna give it a 4.75. But overall, I really like this bathing suit. The material is pretty standard, but it feels just a little bit thicker, and the stitching feels a little bit tighter than the more basic bathing suits that I was trying on at the beginning, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it like a 4.25 for that. I'm gonna regret this. Did it get it? A little bit. Okay, and I didn't even get soaked. Wow. We'll give it a 5. It's a standard looking bikini from far away, but if you look closely, it actually has quite a few admirable quirks. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it like a 4.25 for quirkiness. For reliability, it feels super secure, and we'll give it a 4 out of 5. Okay, so that's all the bikinis that CUPSHE sent me. That's all 5 of them. I haven't done the final calculations yet. My top 3 favorite bathing suits are the red and white striped bikini, the high-waisted green and white bikini, and the single shoulder navy blue pearled bikini. If I had to choose a favorite, it would probably be the green and white high-waisted bikini, and I know I'm saying that even though it ripped, I really wish it didn't rip, very, very close second for me will be this red and white one. Like I said, I've been wearing it all day and I just find it really comfortable and flattering and I like it a lot. With all that in mind, I'll click the button, do the calculations, and we'll see if it actually turns out as planned. No way! Never trust an algorithm right here. So according to my little ranking system, the winner was actually this one shoulder blue, navy blue pearled bikini. I really like it. I think it's super comfortable, but I really liked the other two that I was talking about earlier a lot as well. So wow, okay, I was not expecting that, but yeah, I guess. Yeah, cool. I love this bikini. That works. In second place was the one that I'm wearing right now. In third place, just barely, was the green and white high-waisted bikini. So I got my top 3 right. I got the order wrong, but I got my top 3 correct. Alright, so that's it. This one won. If you want it for yourself, it's super cheap. Link in description. Would highly recommend if you have a body type even slightly similar to mine. It fit very well and is very comfortable, and I trust it. Thanks so much to CUPSHE for sending me them. Info on all of the bikinis I tried on is in the description if you want to go look for yourself. And that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Hannah. I am kind of a college student, but you know, who knows when that next time I'll actually get to step foot onto a college campus is. I don't. Like and subscribe. I post videos often. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye.